Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing Pro-Ject's Essential Digital Turntable. Pro-Ject's sort of budget range is called the Essential. This is an excellent variation of it in a gloss finish. Build quality is great, sound quality is superb for the money. But most importantly, it's got a digital output, allowing us to integrate this with any number of different devices that may not have a phono stage, or may only have a digital input like a soundbar or maybe a DVLA phantom. There's all sorts of things that people are wanting to play their records and have some fun with our industry, but don't have the connections in the device that they're looking at. So this turntable has been brilliantly presented and to slot exactly in that part of the industry. So let's have a look. Right, Pro-Ject. All of their boxes are white. They're plain white boxes, not much to them. They're sealed with a white fabric sort of paper tape, model and serial number information on two ends, and then basic branding on the two long edges. Opening these is really easy. It's a simple craft knife. The packaging with these is actually very good, so I can kind of relax about taking the slice, but I'm always going to be very careful and lift and sort of pull and cut at the same time so that the knife is well away from the accessories and other things that we may see inside. So, opening the lid, well, the first thing we do see is the accessories, so that's excellent. Very well appointed. This budget turntable comes with everything you will need. Excuse the pun, but essentially it's everything you would need in a turntable. Nevertheless, let's have a look at some of these accessories. Little important thing is the anti-skate weight. Please hang around for the photographs a little bit later. You'll see I'll fit one of these. You know where it'll go. There's Pro-Ject's belt. This is a good size. It's circular rather than a ribbon belt. We've got Pro-Ject's woven interconnects. Now these are an excellent product. The quality is superb. Great to see that these are now available in a very entry-level turntable. We've got one of these extra little weights that can be added to the head should you change the cartridge and need to. Look, most people won't use it, but please put it in a drawer somewhere. You might need it one day. There is a little key tool. Now this is to change the belt speed, down from the cogs and up and down to change the speed without touching the belt. It's a nice little thing. It fits not only the circular belts but all the larger ones that are available in Pro-Ject's other products. Again, put that in a drawer, use it wisely. The next little bag has two things in it. It's a Allen key to tighten the counterweight and a 35 to 45 adapter. There's Pro-Ject's instruction manual. Don't be surprised if there's a little bit of sort of English in these. Pro-Ject is made in the Baltic states of Russia, and awesome. And to hit such a tight price point with such a good quality, I'll forgive them for any spelling mistake or any sort of thing there. Next thing down is the felt mat. Now there's all manner of reasons why you need a felt mat. The mat itself is not an expensive little product and can be purchased should it get damaged or other things like that, but that allows a little bit of slip and a little bit of dampening between the platter. Put that off to one side. Okay, so that's the accessories done, and as we drill down, a little piece of cardboard and the turntable's lid. Now this lid is protected with a cloth bag, allowing it to arrive to you scratch-free. Pulling it out of the packaging is relatively straightforward. This folded cardboard packaging helps to suspend the lid above the turntable, and it's very unlikely to get damaged in transit. Again, cardboard end. Now the cloth bag is a little bit oversized, and it means that it can easily be folded to protect the lid. With the Essential range, it's a slight tinted colour. It's sort of a little bit black. So, revealing the next layer, there's a piece of cardboard taped in place to try and to ensure that the turntable is sitting a little bit more firmly in the base. I'm just going to trim that plastic, that tape, and get rid of the cardboard. Again, just having a look at the layers. There's a couple of protective little foam pads. Now, that's just because the finish is a gloss finish and we don't want things rubbing on it which could potentially scratch it. So it's nice to see that even at this budget end they've really spent a lot of time ensuring with the packaging that this product will end up with you in one piece. The next layer is the turntable itself. But let's pause for a moment and have a look at the other things that are in the base. The larger items, the heavier items perhaps, are still to come. So we've got the counterweight, that's sitting off to one side in its own little bag, and the product's power supply. Now again, that's in a little small box. It's a multi-voltage power supply, so the New Zealand power adapter simply clips in. That type of thing is makes this product quite universal and obviously very easy should you be in another country or something like that. I think let's have a look actually, it's 100 volts to 240, so look, every country is covered with this. There's a couple of moulded pieces of packaging and we're pretty much done. Okay, so looking at the deck, again an oversized sort of polish bag is used to protect this turntable. I'll spin it round and very carefully, to make sure it doesn't drag on anything, we're going to remove this cloth bag. The cloth bag is punched through the spike to ensure it doesn't move. Okay. Slide this off. We get to see the turntable for the first time. Let's just have a quick look. It's lovely. The gloss finish is excellent and clearly indicating its feature base there. Underneath the platter is a simple cardboard sort of wedge. This just stops it from wobbling around in freight. It's got no function after this. It serves its purpose, so please, you can discard that or keep it in its packaging if required. Sort of reassembling this for a moment, it's very straightforward the way it goes there. Now, you'll see, please hang around for some photographs where you will see me kind of assemble this product, but let's have a quick look nonetheless. So the platter is a chipboard with a melamine finish. The plinth is a gloss black. As we spin it around slowly, you'll be able to see the motor. It's suspended off to one side, allowing the larger belt to be used. And you'll see the on and off switch as far as powering this as well. At the rear, you'll see the hinges that support the lid. And if I pick this up, and please, I'll take some photographs close up. The outputs are a big part of why this turntable exists and why it makes it unique. Its output is the left and right analog, ground, and the optical digital output. So this has on board an analog to digital converter, enabling again that optical connection in any number of different products. Spinning it around and seeing this side, you'll get a good look at the arm and other things like that. This is a trickle down from the debut. Again, hang around because you'll see the counterweight and anti-escape weight fitted. It has a Autofon cartridge pre-fitted and pre-aligned, so it's kind of ready to go. Some 5-10 minutes and you're playing records with this product. It's worth noting that the feet on this are also designed to be sort of absorption of vibration. They're sprung loaded, and it's good. I mean, this is the type of stuff we expect to see from a quality perspective in much more expensive turntables, so it is lovely to see it at such a budget end. Okay, so again, hang around. We're going to fit a few of these things and take a few photographs so you'll see how it was all set up. I'll fit the lid, I'll do all sorts of things so you can have a good look, but in the meantime, here we have it, the Pro-Ject Essential Digital Turntable, unboxed here at the Listening Post Christchurch. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.